What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. It's your girl, dnia.deanna, and we locking in. Yeah. So today is September 2nd. This is, I don't necessarily have a end goal for, not an end goal, I do have an end goal, but I don't have an end date for my lock-in. But me, my sister, and my friends, we are locking in. And the lock-in is very intentional. It's all about, for me, dedication, truly being consistent and disciplined within bettering my life and not waiting for my life to be better because of some magical thing outside of myself. No, I know that I am sent here and I have all of these gifts and abilities and the power to change my life, and the only thing that is stopping me is me, which is my consistency, which is my discipline, which is my hunger for real to be in order. And so it's so much more to it, but that's just a short version. But I am excited for this lock-in. This lock-in is, it feels so good. We just came back from yoga. Shout out to my new girl, my new friend, my new yoga instructor, Jean. Shout out to you. It was great. It was great. It was lovely. During this lock-in, I'm going to be making sure that I'm consistent with painting, working out, which is not movement, basically movement, working out. So doing some more walking, Pilates, yoga. Aerial silks is coming back very soon. And just different forms of movement. I've been invited to a few field days, adult field days, so I'm gonna check out one of those. Eating cleaner, eating healthier, making sure that I am juicing, making sure that I am doing my intakes of hydration. So yeah, so the health, the movement, prayer, meditation, setting my alarm at 5:30 a.m., making sure that I am up and I am present with the Most High, and just so I can be in stillness to be able to receive or just to give gratitude. I already said painting, so and putting in more time when it comes to my office work. So I'm a part of a lot of different beautiful opportunities that's really all happening all at once, but I need to show up in them, and I will be showing up in them. It is also adult life, adulting things where it needs me to be in order to get them done and taken care of. So I'm making sure that I have my office hours ready. I have all of these things in place, but me sticking to it is where I need to make sure that I'm sticking to it. Boom. So one of the things is, drum roll please, I am officially vending henna alkana at the Black Girl Art Show this October, and I'm gonna also be showing some more pieces. So this was a blessing. So shout out to my family, shout out to my cousins and my Jima for investing in me and believing in me. But yeah, I've never shown my art. I don't show my art. And even though this is not me focusing only on showing my art, I'm going to be doing my art, which is henna. So I'll be vending henna while showcasing my art. And I created something, and it's delivered. It is here, and I want to open it now. And that's what you're gonna do. 1 second. To prepare for the Black Girls Art Show, I am getting all of my trinkets and my gadgets and my things prepared and ready. So this is one of the things that I created that I needed, and it is here. Okay. Cute. Little carry cool. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Uh. I don't even know how to stop it. Okay. Hold on. I gotta look at this. This just looked too good. I gotta figure out how to pull it out without ripping it, but yeah, it's here and I'm so excited and it's happening and I'm making it happen and I'll praise the Most High. That's all I can say. So until next time, I'm gonna be checking in, about to do some art right now. And yeah, this is life and living, and I'm grateful to be here. I'm just so grateful. Yes. So okay, let me take this in. Peace.